Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the you just got drafted filter thing on TikTok. So if you are looking for the filter here in TikTok in effect gallery, you will not get the effect because this effect is from Instagram. So you need to install Instagram, and once you have Instagram, what you can do, okay, this is the effect. To get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile, okay, and check in his filter gallery. This is the filter NFL draft head, okay. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. You can tap on the link and also you can get this effect. So what we'll do here, we'll record a video here in Instagram and we'll save the video to our camera roll, and from there we can use the video in TikTok. So let me record a small video. Let's save it. Okay, now go to TikTok and tap on this upload. Okay, so this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Okay, this was the video, hit next. If you want to edit something, if you want to add some music, you can do it here. And once you are done with all your editing, you can hit next and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this you just got drafted filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.